Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Now taking you to the state of Maharashtra and talking about the topic that we touched upon earlier. The tug of war over cabinet berth in the new Narendra Modi government has already started. Ajit Pawar's NCP has already decided to not take up a slot of Minister of State with independent charge that has been offered by the BJP to them. NCP chief Ajit Pawar informed the BJP leadership that they could not take up the offer as their choice. Praful Patel has already been a cabinet minister in the past and he could not take up a seat below that rank. This comes even as NCP attended the oath-taking ceremony of the new NDA government yesterday. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis in fact has reacted to the feud, saying that the cabinet criteria cannot be violated and that the NCP will be considered in future during cabinet expansion. Now the NCP has also said that the party is ready to wait for a cabinet position in the future and everything is fine between them.
तो हमें एक सीट मिलनी चाहिए, ऐसे हमारी बात हुई है। वो बोले ठीक है, आपका कहना सही है, लेकिन उसके बाद कल उनका हमें मैसेज आया कि हम इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज जैसा हमारे शिंदे साहब की पार्टी को दिया है वैसा एक मेंबर लेना चाहते हैं।
मैं स्वयं भारत सरकार का कैबिनेट मंत्री पहले रह चुका हूं और इसलिए हमने उनको यही कहा कि भाई देखिए, ये आपने जो ऑफ़र दी है हमें खुशी है कि आपने हमको एक सूचना भेजी, लेकिन मेरे लिए थोड़ा ये कठिन है कि हम ये पोस्ट को हम पूर्वी में मैं कैबिनेट मंत्री रहे कारण मैं नहीं स्वीकार कर सकता। इसमें कोई ऐसा मतभेद नहीं है, कोई मतलब जो भी कोई अटकलें लगाई जा रही ऐसी कोई भी बात नहीं है। सब कुशल है, सब ठीक है और हमको ये भी कहा गया है कि कुछ दिनों की आप राह देखिए, हम इसको दुरुस्त करेंगे।
राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसला आमच्या वतीनं किंवा सरकारच्या वतीनं एक जागा ऑफर करण्यात आली होती। राज्यमंत्री स्वतंत्र प्रभार अशा प्रकारे ही जागा त्यांना देण्यात आली होती, परंतु त्यांचा आग्रह असा होता की आमच्याकडनं श्री प्रफुल्ल पटेल यांचं नाव फायनल आहे आणि ते आधी मंत्री राहिलेले आहेत, त्यामुळे त्यांना आम्हाला राज्यमंत्री स्वतंत्र प्रभार हे करता येणार नाही। मात्र आपल्याला देखील ही कल्पना आहे की जेव्हा अलायन्सचं युतीचं सरकार असतं त्यावेळी काही निकष तयार करावे लागतात, कारण अनेक पक्ष सोबत असतात, त्यामुळे एका पक्षाकरता तो निकष मोडता येत नाही। पण मला विश्वास आहे की भविष्यामध्ये जेव्हाही एक्सपान्शन होईल।
So a big update now coming in from the sources. BJP is not pleased with the performance of Ajit Pawar's NCP in the Lok Sabha election. BJP in fact feels that if Ajit Pawar faction had won in Baramati, it would have been a big blow to Sharad Pawar's faction. However, Ajit Pawar lost the seat of Baramati and Ajit Pawar in fact also said that he was completely shocked by the results that came out straight from Baramati. We have CNN News 18's Yasha Kotak joining us on the broadcast. Yasha, very good morning to you. Although both the sides are putting in an unbothered face to the light, but is everything all right between them?
So, when you see that yesterday, like we heard Devendra Fadnavis speak himself, he offered the position of Minister of State to the NCP. However, they've denied, particularly one, they wanted a stronger portfolio, they wanted a cabinet position for Praful Patel on the grounds that it is Praful Patel who's earlier in the UPA regime held a position of a minister, which is why they were not happy with an MOS position. On the other hand, there is an infighting between Praful Patel as well as Sunil Tatkare. Both want a cabinet post. Sunil Tatkare has been recently elected as the MP from Lok Sabha, whereas Praful Patel has a Rajya Sabha seat with him, which is where there is an internal tussle within the NCP. But amidst all of this, we saw Devendra Fadnavis himself visit Sunil Tatkare's residence yesterday at Delhi, wherein Praful Patel was present. Apart from that, also there was presence of Ajit Pawar as well, where discussions were held. Of course, both of the factions have put a face saying that there is nothing wrong between the two of them. They will wait out until the further cabinet expansion so that there can be a seat that can give to NCP. However, there are certain apprehensions here. One, that NCP wants a strong portfolio, cabinet level portfolio, which the BJP does not want to offer. There are certain reasons for that. One, particularly being that that distribution of portfolios is taking place for 4 seats. That is, if a party has won 4 seats where one cabinet level position is being offered, but here NCP Kasarang had only one seat that they won of the 4 that they contested, which is something that is not going well with BJP. Yes.
Right, Yasha. Thank you so much for bringing us all those crucial updates with regards to that story.